Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix network problems. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then go down, then select additional settings, then select backup and reset, then select erase all data. So here you can see reset network settings. This option will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. It also delete existing APN, then create a new working APN. Tap on this option, then tap on resetting, done. If this is not fixing your network problem, then you can try the second option, reset system settings only. Tap on that. So this option will reset system settings. That includes network settings. Tap on reset, then again tap on reset. Restoring, done. So these are the two options to reset network settings and fix network problems. Please try it.